These 4 existing classes are available now on LinkedIn Learning. There are over 300 free educational movies on the YouTube site for Mr. Jim Cowan, owner of Synergy AEC. This new course on Revit customization is for global e-training, where authors can update their courses as needed and so keep them current. Digital content for some products changes every 3 to 4 months, so updating is crucial. Let's have a look at the course outline for the new course, Customizing Revit, a Primer. Welcome to the course outline on Revit Customization, a Primer. The goal is to give you an overview of what features can be customized. This would help if you're going to communicate your needs to the template creator, such as a consultant or an in-house technical team. It is also of value in that you get exposure to customizing a feature for yourself. Perhaps you want to progress from a BIM modeler to a BIM coordinator or a BIM manager. A working template would be tailored to specific requirements, as defined for a design firm, and would involve multiple iterations to arrive at a finished product. This is a new course, available soon. In this module, you will see 3 options for beginning a template. They are valid for Revit versions 2021 to 2025. Options include 1. A none option, where initial content is minimal. 2. A multidisciplinary project template, which assumes multiple firms or disciplines working in one work-shared project file. 3. A multi-level commercial project, such as would be suitable for a multi-family residential project. This is the template that is developed further with default and added custom content for architects, interior architects, and landscape architects. The user interface is edited to match the layout of the recorded movies, and a linked model is attached so that there is visual feedback as the project template is developed. Each movie has a Try Me option with sample files. There are quizzes for each module. In Module 2, rendering views let you render elevations, plans, and sections. Exported views can be used to manage output to other products such as AutoCAD, Navisworks, Twinmotion, or Chaos Inkscape, since building elements in the view can be turned on or off prior to export. This helps minimize the exported content size by omitting content that is not required. Different disciplines may have different views in the one project. The BIM model can be viewed as cutaways, so the modeler can control multiple cutaway views as smaller portions of a much larger model. In Module 3, you learn how to manage the placement of views in the project browser using an added project parameter. View categories could be for exports, rendering, presentations, or the most used designation as working views for project modeling, the project or construction views for documentation with annotation like dimensioning and tags. Construction document views go onto sheets for print sets. In Module 4, you create a file to store custom data fields known as shared parameters. Examples are for different disciplines. For architecture, this might be to track a sound coefficient for walls, recycled building elements, or construction sequencing. For landscape, it might be linking to content on the internet, such as plant species data, or indicating which species are native to the project location. The added data as project parameters can be included in tags, schedules, and used with filters to locate and color code Revit elements, such as firewalls or furniture to be recycled. In Module 5, you see how scope boxes, levels, rooms, and view templates all work together and how you benefit. You conclude by creating a view type that lets BIM modelers or coordinators create new views and automatically position the view under a view type category in the project browser and with designated graphic standards. This can be managed across multiple views, like all elevations or all architectural interior plans at a specific scale. In Module 6, you get or harvest content from existing projects, add subcategories to a Revit family, add design options, filters to manage both visibility, on, off, and color assignment. For work-shared projects, you add work sets to manage file size. Groups or links are options to repeat combined elements like a typical apartment unit. In Module 7, you create additional typical annotation families to match practical real-life application of these features. For example, text for notes or redlining, line styles to aid documentation, global parameters for global editing of typical dimensions like ceiling height, and custom tags to report on and include any added parameters. In Module 8, Not a full course, just a few teaser examples from some third-party products that helped speed the creation of content and deliverables. 1. Revit to color code view tabs and to make complex patterns. 2. Chaos Inkscape to discover modeling mistakes and create fast photoreal animations. 3. Land FX to quickly create planting palettes. 4. Arch Intelligence's environment to model organic topography and planting beds or landscape finishes. Stay tuned. The course will be available soon. I hope it empowers you. The design professions need to be making the most of what technology has to offer,